Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making black bean mushroom burger. We are preparing the patty from the scratch and for the seasoning we are using a combination of salsa and mango which will bring out a different flavor with every single bite. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the list of ingredients we would need to make black bean mushroom burger patty. I have also listed them in the description section. So let's start by taking around 300 grams of portobello mushrooms and chop them roughly. You can take any mushrooms of your choice or you can even mix match different types of mushrooms. I'm using a blender to make this recipe, but if you have a food processor, you don't have to even chop them. Now go ahead and add the mushrooms to the blender. Now add one medium or large sliced onion. Blend them together. You might want to divide them in two different batches and then blend them. Make sure you don't add any water while doing this. Once the onion and mushrooms are done, go ahead and add one sliced large red chili. You can also use 2 to 3 small green chilies as well. Then add 300 grams of boiled black beans. You can add them in batches. I had soaked the black beans in the night and in the morning I went ahead and boiled them. Mix the batter occasionally so it gets churned properly. Add the rest of the black beans and blend them. Now add 50 grams of parsley or fresh coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything and blend it one last time. All the ingredients are blended perfectly. Now we'll go ahead and pour the batter or mixture to a bowl. Now add 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 5 tablespoons of gram flour or chickpea flour. Mix everything. Once done, we will refrigerate the mixture for 30 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take a baking tray and add 2 teaspoons of oil and brush it evenly throughout the tray. Now add the batter in the form of a patty to the baking tray, just like this. Again, it's up to you how big or small you want your patty to be. Now go ahead and do the same for the second patty. Now keep the tray in the oven for about 25 minutes over 300 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, we will start with the preparation of the salsa. These are the list of ingredients we would need to make the salsa. I have also listed them in the description section. So take around 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes. If you do not have cherry tomatoes, you can use normal tomato as well. In that case, just take half medium or one small tomato. Now I'm going to cut all the tomatoes in half and remove the seeds from them. As we are going to add the salsa to the burger, we do not need this tomato seeds because they will make the salsa more watery. But again, it's up to you. So if you like the seeds, just let it be. So once you remove the seeds, chop the cherry tomatoes as finely as possible. Add the chopped cherry tomatoes to a bowl. Finely chop one small onion and add that to the bowl as well. I have also chopped some fresh parsley, adding it to bowl. Now take one lemon and we are going to add juice of one whole lemon. Now adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil and around 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Mix everything nicely. The salsa is ready and it smells amazing. We're also going to prepare the sauce mix. So to a bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise, add 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce and 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Now mix everything nicely. These are my favorite and I always add them to the burgers. This is done as well. Now go ahead and take 2 buns and cut them from center, just like this. It's time to check the patties. After 25 minutes, take the patties out. They are done to the perfection. Now go ahead and grate some vegan cheese on top of them. And like I always say, be generous with the cheese. If you like, you can also put some vegan cheese slices, but I always like to grate cheese. Now place the buns onto the oven tray and keep the tray back in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the tray and the patties are ready and the buns are ready as well. The cheese has melted beautifully on top of the patties. Now let's go ahead and start with the preparation or the assembly of our burger. Take the base of the burger bun. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, barbecue and mustard sauce mix to the bun. Spread it evenly, just like this. Add 1 lettuce leaf to the bun. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of salsa on top of the lettuce. Place the black bean mushroom patty on top. Add the mango slices on top of the patty. This is semi-ripe mango, so it's going to add a tangy flavor to the patty. Now adding 1 or 2 more spoons of salsa again. Doesn't this already look amazing? Top it up with some fresh parsley leaves and we are done. The first burger is ready. Now prep the second one. Follow the same steps again. You see how quickly we prepare a whole meal from scratch, which is tasty, flavorful and so filling. When you prepare this at home, do not skip on adding the salsa and the mangoes. They do add such great flavor to this patty. The patties are done to perfection. They are crispy on the outside and so soft in the inside. This is one of my favorite burger, but I would love to know which one is yours, so do mention that in the comment section. That tasted amazing. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.